Your body has rhythms that trauma interrupts. But here's what most people don't realize. You can actually feel when they start to restore themselves. And once you know how to tune into them, you can do it anywhere. So this practice is for those moments when you feel either completely wired, like your system is stuck in overdrive, or totally numb, like you're watching your life from behind the glass. Maybe it's Sunday evening and that familiar anxiety creeps in. Maybe you just had a difficult conversation with a loved one. Or maybe you simply want to check in with what's actually happening inside your body. So when we're always stuck on or off, we lose access to what we call our natural inner rhythms. The beautiful dance between activation and rest that healthy nervous systems do automatically. But trauma doesn't break this rhythm permanently. It just covers it up, and we can uncover it too. So let's do this together. Find a comfortable position, sitting, standing, or even lying down. It's not about perfect posture, but about honest connection with yourself. Close your eyes if it feels safe, or just let your gaze move to the ground. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. At first, just notice what's here without trying to change anything. Maybe there's tension, or maybe you don't feel much at all. Maybe there's a subtle aliveness. All of it is welcome. Now breathe normally. Don't force anything. And start to feel for any rhythms between these two places. Maybe it's your heartbeat that you feel pumping throughout your body. Or maybe your breath starts to naturally change its rhythm to slow down or deepen. If you don't feel anything yet, that's okay. Sometimes our inner rhythms whisper before they speak more loudly. Just stay curious. Now see if you can follow whatever rhythm you're sensing. If it's your heartbeat, let your attention rest there. If it's your breath, let yourself merge with it, feeling it flowing throughout your whole body. And if it's something more subtle, just let yourself be with it. This is your body reconnecting. This is what it feels like when our nervous system starts to sync with the natural rhythms within our own body. And when you're ready, let your eyes open slowly. These inner rhythms are always there. Trauma just makes it harder to access them. But the more we practice tuning in, especially in those activated or shut down moments, the more available it becomes. Our body already knows the way back to rhythm. We're just remembering how to reconnect and listen. And that reconnection and remembering, this is where real healing lives.